Understanding how to satisfy a sexually mature woman involves a blend of emotional intelligence, communication, and physical awareness. It's not just about the act itself, but about creating an environment where she feels valued, respected, and understood. The first step is to establish a strong emotional connection. This means being attentive to her needs, listening actively, and showing genuine interest in her thoughts and feelings. Emotional intimacy often translates into physical intimacy, making her feel safe and cherished. Communication is crucial. Open and honest dialogue about desires, boundaries, and preferences can significantly enhance the experience. It's important to ask questions and be receptive to feedback without judgment. This creates a space where she feels comfortable expressing her needs and desires. Remember, every woman is different, and what works for one may not work for another. Tailoring your approach based on her unique preferences is key. Foreplay is an essential component. It's not just a prelude to sex, but an integral part of the experience. Taking the time to explore her body, understanding what she enjoys, and building anticipation can heighten pleasure. This can include kissing, touching, and using words to create a sense of connection and excitement. Paying attention to her responses and adjusting accordingly shows that you are attuned to her needs. Physical touch should be varied and considerate. Different women have different erogenous zones, and discovering these through gentle exploration can be incredibly satisfying. This might include areas like the neck, ears, inner thighs, or lower back. Using a combination of soft and firm touches can create a dynamic and pleasurable experience. It's important to be patient and not rush through these moments, allowing her to fully enjoy the sensations. Oral sex can be a significant aspect of sexual satisfaction for many women. It requires attentiveness and a willingness to learn what she enjoys. Communication during this act is vital, whether through verbal feedback or paying attention to her body language. Experimenting with different techniques and rhythms can help find what brings her the most pleasure. It's also important to maintain a sense of enthusiasm and enjoyment, as this can enhance the overall experience. Penetrative sex should be approached with the same level of care and consideration. Ensuring that she is fully aroused and comfortable is crucial. This might involve using lubrication if necessary and finding positions that are pleasurable for her. It's important to maintain a rhythm that she enjoys and to be responsive to her cues. Sometimes, slowing down or changing positions can make a significant difference in her level of satisfaction. Aftercare is an often overlooked but essential part of the experience. Taking the time to cuddle, talk, and show affection after sex can reinforce the emotional connection and leave her feeling valued and loved. This can also be a good time to discuss what worked well and what could be improved, fostering a sense of openness and continuous improvement in your sexual relationship. In summary, satisfying a sexually mature woman involves a holistic approach that combines emotional connection, effective communication, and attentive physical interaction. It's about creating a safe and loving environment where she feels free to express her desires and where her pleasure is prioritized. By being patient, considerate, and genuinely interested in her satisfaction, you can create a fulfilling and mutually enjoyable sexual relationship.